when people start to admit and take ownership of their faults, it shows sincerity. Tama ba? And it shows not just sincerity, but dissatisfaction of what he has done, what had happened. And also, they want to make it right. They have that desire to make it right. If you take ownership, I have sinned. Tonight, when we go back to your Father, kasi Lord, I'm really sorry. It's my fault, Lord. Pasaylo ako nila. So stop blaming. Take ownership. It's my fault. Kasala ko sa Ginoo, kasala ko sa inyo. I'm really sorry. I want to mend us again. Person who truly repented will not seek position. Will not go after the spotlight. Does that make sense? Hindi man pwede mo yung gana, sorry, balik yan ako. Pero mabalik ako, pero dapat dito kaya po natin. Ay, pinagkatabang, anak, may huli mo. Choosing. Kasi regardless, whatever decision natin, kasi repentant po ka. Tama ba? Because you realize that, hey, it's not about me anymore. So you have to come in humility.